If we visualize the world wherein we focus upon the future education and the life skills required, it is like technology is becoming more and more pervasive. The traditional trends are no more needed now. It is globalization, interconnectedness, and the employer's demand for the skill set of individual has already changed. And if we talk from the youth side, his aspiration level is far more different what it was previously, and he is much more aware now. Nextly, the peer pressure, the societal changes, and automation is leading to a phase which we can call as depression among the youth, as human interaction is reducing day by day. So, to answer the essential future skills, it has been an evolvement in the education scenario. Firstly, we had education 1.0, wherein was a linear teaching pedagogy, wherein student and teacher, what was taught was grasped, and there was a fixed pattern of assessment. Then came education 2.0, wherein it was spontaneously. The Wikipedia, the podcast, the blogging came wherein student became aware. Then we came into 3.0, which was a collaborative approach wherein COVID time played an important role. Access to platforms changed the role of teachers. They were not teachers now, they were mentors, resource support system. And now we are heading, and we have almost headed towards education 4.0. It is the phase wherein collaborative approach is backed by the IT approach. We have smart technologies, we have AI, we have robotics, we have all the cloud computing which is taking in place. So here what we need is a development of teaching learning compass which answers your question for the students and teachers. It is like it is a new world which is coming in phase wherein there are clear defined goals, and the student is at an age, at a place where he has his own aspiration, means he has his own access to information, he has his own competencies, he knows, he has the bookish knowledge, he knows, he is aware to the web, he has his own values, attributes, but this compass needs him to navigate around the challenges. That challenges, as per the OECD report, it is like 75% of the skills will be digitized by 2030. So it is like he has to navigate around that compass, and we need to frame a pedagogy wherein AI can, we have to form an approach we call it AAR, that is anticipate, act and reflect. That means आप AI से एक्सेल की फॉर्मूलेस देके एक्सेल तो बनवा लोगे, बट हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट इट, हाउ टू एंटिसिपेट व्हाट हैज टू बी कम्युनिकेटेड, दैट इज प्ले अ मेजर रोल इन द फ्यूचर कमिंग टाइम. आप पीपीटी एआई से बनवा लोगे. अभी तक तो पीपीटी बनानी सिखाई जाती थी इन द ट्रेडिशनल एजुकेशन, लेकिन वो पीपीटी कम्युनिकेट क्या करेगी? हियर इज द रोल ऑफ इंडिविजुअल इज कमिंग इन. So the skill set needed, the future skill set needed is far more than the traditional skill set. AI बहुत कुछ करेगा, that Anshul ma'am was asking that time. लेकिन फिर भी the role of empathy, the problem solving skills, EQ with critical thinking, वो है that creativity, that 24 skills which have been proposed and which are evolving, वो है that will majorly drive the future of our youth. आप just for an example, आप medical science में you can get the reports generated through X-rays और सब कुछ कर लिया, लेकिन जो ह्यूमन टच है, एम्पैथी है, वो तो डॉक्टर और पेशेंट के बीच में रहेगा ही ना. दैट इज व्हाट विच इज टू बी टॉट. आपको EQ करना है, सिखाना है. तो टू सम अप इट इज लाइक these skill set will be future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we are left with only 2 minutes to